I'm finally ascending, Rick. The coughing fits mean the Tren is working. My lungs are burning with the fire of 1,000 suns. But that's just the price of becoming a literal god for Jessica.
You're not becoming a god, Morty. You're having a violent pulmonary prostaglandin response. You nicked a vein and sent oil straight to your lungs. That's a technical way of saying you're an idiot who just gave himself a chemical panic attack in his chest cavity.
But the forums say it's the ultimate sign of quality. It means the androgen receptor binding is off the charts. I'll have the strength of a silverback and a physique that defies biology. I'll take the cough if it means I'm the alpha.
The only thing off the charts is your systemic inflammation. You're causing microembolisms. That's tiny blobs of oil obstructing your capillaries, just to look slightly more grainy in a mirror. It's a high-risk, low-reward trade-off for an insecure teenager with a death wish.
I have to be the best, Rick. Whatever it takes to get noticed.
Notice this, you're prioritizing a three-dimensional shoulder cap over your actual ability to breathe. It's a biological failure of logic to trade your lung capacity for a temporary cosmetic ego boost. You're just a shivering, deluded mess who keeps shouting,